Hello and welcome to the channel The Born Yogi. Well, I'm here to promote sustainability and philosophy, of course. जहाँ चंदन है वहाँ philosophy थोड़ी तो रहेगी. So here is the video of the day which I'm going to show you today. Here is the video of the day and it is absolutely good and fabulous. I've always loved sustainability, but let me take you to the video. This video is taken from the Instagram and with a reference of On the Ground with Sai. I will tag you On the Ground with Sai.
She never goes shopping. She does not throw away garbage or waste any water. She lives in a beautiful home with an electricity bill of 0 rupees. Meet the one-of-a-kind Miss Janak Palta. For the last 13 years, this 74-year-old has designed her home in a way that it provides her everything.
Let me take you around this magical house.
She cooks all her food and heats water with solar cookers. She generates fuel by using old newspapers
And uses the fuel for lights and even for cooking.
There is also a windmill that produces electricity and a farm that gives her rice, vegetables, herbs, jams, spices, detergents, soap,
Shampoo, face pack and even toothpaste for all 365 days in a year.
Janak learned these ways by living with Indian tribes. Her own house generates zero waste, zero energy and zero problems. But Janak lives a 100% life using the gifts of nature.
And is one of the most happiest people I have ever met. Follow me because the real stories are on the ground.
She never
I feel as we are growing, we are moving away from the sustainability, and in the fast moving world we are moving towards the fast processes, है ना, हर चीज़ फास्ट चाहिए हमको. I think we are also moving towards, what do you say it, just give me a second. I'll also hands free. Okay, so I guess we are also moving towards fast processes. हमको हर चीज़ जल्दी चाहिए, हमको किसी चीज़ के लिए रुकना नहीं है. We have हम बस भूल चुके हैं कि स्लो लिविंग क्या होता है. कैब चाहिए हमको, तुरंत घर से बाहर निकलते बरोबर हमें कैब चाहिए, कैब से हमें जाना है. देन देयर इज़ अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ हाउ वी कैन रिड्यूस अवर कार्बन फुटप्रिंट, और how we can contribute towards environment without doing a lot of things. So I basically think that जब हम बाहर निकले तो कैब थोड़ा कम प्रीफर करें, लोकल ट्रांसपोर्ट हम लोग ज़्यादा प्रीफर कर लें, ट्राई यूज़ मेट्रोज़ एंड और अदर बस transports. By using all of this, you can move towards saving our environment. So yeah, and I have to go. So yes,